Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, do you want to learn how to use imperativo in Spanish? Then keep on watching. But first of all, subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, let's start. Imperativo. Imperativo is to give commands, okay? We have to use two persons, like one is tú and the other one is vosotros. Tú and vosotros. Tú is you in singular and vosotros is you in plural. Okay, so we're going to study examples for the three conjugations. You know that in Spanish we have three conjugations, verbs that end in AR, ER, and IR. Okay? So for tú, you. Tú baila, like you, like dance. Okay? Tú bebe, drink. Tú escribe, write. Okay, you're giving a command. For vosotros, you, and plural, bailad. Vosotros bailad. Vosotros bebed, drink. Vosotros escribid, write. Okay? So when do we use the imperative? We use the imperative to give commands, obviously, like estudia, study. We also use it for giving instructions. For example, like in recipes, pela la cebolla, okay? Peel the onion, okay? We also use it to give advice. So, no lo compres, no merece la pena, okay? Don't buy it. No lo compres, okay? Don't buy it, it's not worth it. And to ask for something, for example, préstame tu libro, por favor. Okay, lend me your book, please. Okay? And to form the negative, we use no, okay? So, for example, tú no bailes, okay? You say, no bailes, don't dance. And notice that we use the subjunctive for that, okay? So, no bailes, no escribas, no comas, okay? And for vosotros, no bailéis, no comáis, no escribáis, okay? Okay, great. So if I say, let's practice a little. If I say, study, what would you say? For you, singular. Think about it. Estudia. Great. And if it's for you, plural? Estudiad. Okay? Okay. Wait. Esperar. So, for you, singular? Espera. And for you, plural? Esperad. Okay? So that's it. You see, it's super easy. And as always, feel free to ask me whenever, if you have any doubt. I'm more than happy to help you. And comment below with an example, okay? I will correct you. I hope you have understood everything. And if you need anything else, just let me know, okay? See you in my next one. Bye!